How to add upcoming alarm widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. Now it's if you want to add upcoming alarm widget, so click on add widget. So after click on add widget, so click on clock. So after click on clock, so if you want to add upcoming alarm, so click on upcoming alarm. So after click on upcoming alarm, go back and click on alarm and click on done. And if you want to set, so click on alarm. After the process, click on done. You will see upcoming alarm is set. So if you want to set, so click on clock widget and set from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add upcoming alarm widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.